Hello everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and most reliable gadget reviews. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners of 2025, showcasing the smartest and most efficient machines that will keep your pool sparkling clean with zero effort on your part. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on our future reviews. And if you're interested in any of the cleaners featured today, you can find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. Let's jump right in. The Dolphin Nautilus CC has earned its spot as one of the most trusted entry-level robotic pool cleaners on the market. Known for its reliability and simplicity, this cleaner automatically vacuums the pool floor and walls with a straightforward navigation pattern, making it ideal for small to medium in-ground pools. With its plug-and-play setup, you can drop it in and let it go to work. The top-load filter basket makes cleaning out debris quick and easy, saving you time. While it doesn't come with advanced perks like AI mapping, waterline scrubbing, or app control, the Nautilus CC remains a dependable and budget-friendly choice for pool owners who just want a reliable cleaner without extra complexity. Next up is the iGarden K Pro, a lightweight yet powerful robot designed to keep small to medium pools sparkling clean. This model focuses on practicality, offering an AI scheduling system that lets you set quick daily cleaning cycles, so your pool stays fresh without constant supervision. It's easy to handle, simple to maintain, and impressively energy efficient, making it perfect for everyday use. While it doesn't scrub water lines or come with high-end mapping technology, its reliability and affordability make it a smart choice for pool owners who value convenience and straightforward performance. Coming in at number 3, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro delivers a fantastic balance of performance and value. Borrowing many features from the premium Ultra version, it cleans pool floors and walls with strong suction and smart navigation. The AquaSense 2 Pro doesn't include the full 5-in-1 cleaning system, but it still excels at wall scrubbing and debris pickup, making it ideal for medium to large pools. Its lightweight design, long battery life, and app-based controls make it easy to use and manage. For those who want modern features and excellent cleaning power without paying for the very top-tier model, the AquaSense 2 Pro is a great option. At number 2, we have the Wybot S3, a true leap forward in pool cleaning technology. Equipped with a smart 3D mapping system powered by ultrasonic sensors and advanced IMU technology, this robot creates an optimized cleaning path rather than moving randomly like traditional cleaners. The result? Faster, more efficient cleaning with complete coverage of your pool. It comes with a high-flow pump for powerful suction, multiple cleaning modes, and the ability to tackle floors, walls, and even water lines. With extended runtime and advanced features, the Wybot S3 is perfect for tech-savvy pool owners who want cutting-edge performance and precision. Taking the top spot is the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra, one of the most advanced robotic pool cleaners of 2025. This powerhouse offers complete 5-in-1 cleaning, tackling the pool floor, walls, waterline, and even skimming debris from the surface, making it a true all-rounder. With its hybrid sense navigation system and powerful suction motors, the Ultra ensures no spot is left untouched. It also features long battery life, Wi-Fi, and app control, plus AI-powered scheduling, which practically automates your pool maintenance routine. Built for large pools and homeowners who want nothing but the best, the AquaSense 2 Ultra is the ultimate solution for effortless, high-tech pool care.